tignan na rin natin yung mga unit display dito sa showroom namin sa Mitsubishi Abad Santos. Tara! Hi guys! It's me again, JC Up, accredited sales consultant ng Mitsubishi Abad Santos. For today's video po, update ko lang po kayo sa price list ng Mitsubishi vehicle ngayong May 2024. Bago nga pala natin tignan ang bagong price list ng Mitsubishi vehicle, baka hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe or hit the notification bell para naman updated kayo sa mga promo at mga videos na i-upload ko sa aking YouTube channel. Tignan na rin natin yung mga unit display dito sa showroom namin sa Mitsubishi Abad Santos. Tara!
Ito nga pala ang all-new Triton 2024. Triton GLX 2.4 automatic. Meron siyang SRP na 1,383,000. Ang kanya pong monthly payment, 28,219 for 5 years. 78,000 all-in down payment kapag BDO and RCBC approval. 116K all-in down payment naman po kapag other bank. Dito naman po tayo sa Triton GLX 2.4 automatic. SRP 1,582,000. Monthly payment 32,381 sa loob po ng 5 taon. 120,000 all-in down payment kapag BDO and RCBC approval. 162,000 naman po all-in down payment kapag sa other bank. Triton Athlete 4x4 automatic. SRP 1,909,000. Monthly payment 39,074 in 5 years. 177K all-in down payment kapag BDO and RCBC approval. 225K all-in down payment kapag other bank. All-in package inclusion, 1-year comprehensive insurance with AOG, 3 years TPL, 3 years LTO, 5 years warranty or 100,000 km, whichever comes first, shuttle mortgage fee, 20,000 km free PMS labor, tint, matting, early warning device, tools and jack, factory rust proof. Ito naman po lahat ng exclusive freebies na ibibigay ko sa aking mga kliyente. HD dashcam, Thailand special rain visor, umbrella, keychain, car kit, wax star block, side step seal, second row and third row deep dish matting, Bosch Horn Europa, tailpipe finisher at saka leather seat. Naka-install na po lahat yan ng freebies ko upon release. Available color po ng Triton, Yamabuki orange metallic, blade silver metallic, white solid, red solid, jet black mica, graphite gray metallic, and yung white diamond. Price update naman po tayo dito sa Montero 2024. Montero GLX manual, SRP 1,568,000, monthly payment 31,994 for 5 years. Promo po ito ay 0 down payment. Montero GLS automatic, SRP 1,828,000. Monthly payment 37,299 for 5 years. 82,000 all-in down payment kapag BDO and RCBC approval. 129,000 all-in down payment kapag other banks. Montero Black Series automatic, SRP 2,103,000. Monthly payment 42,911 for 5 years. 99,000 all-in down payment kapag BDO and RCBC approval. 159,000 all-in down payment kapag other bank. Montero GT 4x4 automatic, SRP 2,428,000. Monthly payment 49,542 for 5 years. 174,000 all-in down payment kapag BDO and RCBC approval. 229 all-in down payment kapag other bank. All-in package inclusion. Ito po yung mga kasama kapag nirelease po natin yung unit nyo. 1 year comprehensive insurance with AOG, 3 years TPL, 3 years LTO registration, 5 years warranty or 100,000 kilometer, whichever comes first. Shuttle mortgage fee, 20,000 kilometer free PMS labor, tint, matting, early warning device, tools and jack, and factory rust proof. Ito naman po yung mga freebies na binibigay ko personal sa mga kliyente na kumukuha sa akin ng Montero. HD dashcam, hood emblem, Thailand special rain visor, Mitsubishi umbrella, Mitsubishi keychain, car care kit, shampoo, wax, tire block, side step seal, second row and third row, deep dish matting, garnish set, Bosch Horn Europa, tailpipe finisher, at saka po leather seat. Pwede din po natin upgrade yung mags sa GT mags or Black Series mags. Dito naman po tayo sa 5-seater sedan, si Mirage G4. Mirage G4 GLX manual, SRP 769,000, monthly payment 15,692 for 5 years. 10,000 all-in down payment, no free 2 months, 30,000 all-in down payment with free 2 months. Mirage G4 GLX CBT automatic, SRP 819,000, monthly payment 16,712 for 5 years. 5,000 all-in down payment, no free 2 months, 35,000 naman po all-in down payment with free 2 months. Ito ang all-in DP inclusion. Ibig sabihin po, kapag ikaw po ay nag-avail ng Mirage G4, ito po yung mga kasama. Dito tayo sa number 1 MPV dito po sa Pilipinas. Expander GLX 1.5 manual, SRP 1,068,000, monthly payment 21,792 for 5 years. 15,000 all-in down payment kapag BDO and RCBC approval. 44,000 all-in down payment kapag other bank. Expander GLX 1.5 automatic, ang kanya pong SRP 1,128,000, monthly payment 23,017 pesos for 5 years. 20,000 all-in down payment kapag BDO and RCBC approval. 51,000 all-in DP sa other bank. Expander GLS 1.5 automatic, SRP 1,216,000, monthly payment 24,812 for 5 years. 24,000 all-in down payment kapag na-approve ka kay BDO and RCBC. 57,000 all-in down payment sa other bank. Expander Gross monotone automatic top of the line, SRP 1,346,000, monthly 27,464 for 5 years. 50,000 all-in down payment kapag BDO and RCBC. 80,000 all-in down payment kapag other bank. All-in down payment package inclusion, 1 year comprehensive insurance with Act of God, 3 years LTO registration, 3 years third party liability, 5 years warranty or 100,000 kilometer whichever comes first. 20,000 free PMS labor, tint, matting, early warning device, tools and jack, factory rust proof. Ito naman po lahat ng freebies na binibigay ko kay client. HD dashcam, hood emblem, rain visor, umbrella, keychain, car care kit, shampoo, wax, tire block, side step seal, deep dish matting, garnish set, Bosch Horn Europa, tailpipe finisher, leather seat at expander trunk tray.
So ayun, nakita nyo na yung updated promo for the month of May. Kung interesado ka mag-apply, sobrang dali lang ng requirements. 2 valid ID, proof of income lang ang kailangan natin. Kontakin nyo lang ako sa contact number ko na ilalagay ko sa screen, 0915-618-2052. Pwede nyo din akong kontakin sa aking social media account tulad ng Facebook, Viber, Telegram, TikTok at Instagram. And huwag nyo din kalimutan mag-like and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, JCF Mitsubishi. At para ma-update ko kayo sa mga bagong promo namin. See you!